Welcome guys, today I'm gonna expose my 30k portfolio as an 18 years old. Now you will be wondering why am I doing this, right? So I think it's the best way to start this channel because I can be fully transparent and fully natural, because from now I will be showing you strategies and my thoughts about a lot of things that are happening in crypto. So I think the best way to do that is expose myself since the beginning, so you can analyze myself and can have that kind of respect, or at least that kind of empathy, so you can see that the strategies that I will show you I'm applying to myself. I'm not trying to be mean, I don't want to be flashy or even arrogant. I just will show you my portfolio to be just transparent. So let's go to the bank where I will show you my wallets. This is the first wallet that I have ever created in MetaMask. I think it was in 2021, as you can see here, and it has nearly 1000 days, which is more or less like 3 years since 2021. This is the first and my main wallet, but after 1 year using this wallet, I created more wallets so I could diversify in case of hack, or to prevent the scams if I get hacked or my computer gets hacked. I have many accounts, so they will not affect to them, it will just be particularly one, so I can diversify my risk. As you can see, most of my portfolio consists in liquidity pools and re-staking protocols like Eigenlayer, Swell, and some more that I will show you after. At the same time, I'm doing liquidity pools in PancakeSwap and in Ambient Finance, so I can farm 4 airdrops at the same time. Eigenlayer, the airdrop of Ambient Finance, also the airdrop of Scroll with the marks that I will show you after, and also I'm farming the token of restaking KelpDAO Ethereum. Finally, I'm doing a little bit of staking of the USDE, the token stablecoin of Ethena Finance, which will do the second phase of an airdrop, and recently they did it the first airdrop with the token ENA, which I won like $150 with just $500 of liquidity. So I think it's a pretty good project. But how I was saying, don't worry, because I will do the exposure of my portfolio, and after, if you want in a future video, I will explain the strategies. So this is just an introduction, so don't worry if I say something that you don't understand, or maybe you are more advanced and just want to do what I do with my money. And also in Pendle Finance, I had almost $200 in leverage. The thing is that this leverage money is burning every day, so it's now $2. But I had a lot of points farming with Pendle Finance. Also, I have a little bit in mode, but it's just $60, so it's not important. And finally, in Mendy Finance, I'm doing a loop with the money of KelpDAO Ethereum. I'm supplying money, and after I'm getting a borrow with the same money, so I can do a loop a lot of times. And as you can see, I am farming with $1,200, but with the borrowing it's $500. I'm doing this to increase my exposure in the linear airdrop and in Mendy Finance airdrop, and of course in the KelpDAO restaking token. Don't worry guys if you don't understand these type of things, or maybe you're expert and you understand it, I really don't know. But in the future I will show you what strategies I'm doing exactly one by one. This is just an introduction for you to understand how I manage my crypto portfolio. This is the first wallet in which I have over more or less nearly to 10k. Now I will show you the others. Here, as you can see, I have other wallets which I use like normally. This is the second wallet, my second, we can see, most important wallet. In this wallet, I mainly focused in 2 airdrops, which are Linea and Scroll, which are the strongest airdrops of 2024, apart from CK Sync, Layer 0 and Starknet. As you can see, I have nearly 2k in every blockchain. Here is Linea, where I diversify my restaking tokens of Ethereum in different protocols, so I can diversify my risk. Here in Mendy Finance, I'm doing the same strategy that I was showing you in my other wallet. The thing is that I have to borrow because recently I made a change, so I have to adjust it and do it the borrow and do the loop. But just I have like 1k in Mendy Finance, and also in Linux I am doing a liquidity pool of the EtherFi Ethereum and Ethereum, which I just opened yesterday because I was doing some changes. After this we have 2k in Scroll, and as you can see I'm doing a stake of my stone tokens in Pencils protocol, which is a very recent protocol, so I can show you this in the future. And also I'm doing the same as my other wallet with Ambient Finance, so I can farm 4 in 1. Just a quick reminder of how these LXP points work. If I put here my wallet, there will be displayed the LXP points and the LXPL points that I have. And as you can see, I have nearly 900 LXP points, which are currently 0.25 every LXP point. So I will do this calculation and I will show you real quick. I have nearly $200 farm with just this wallet in LXP points, and also if we count the 200,000 LXPL points that I have, if you do a sum of my LXP and LXPL points, I have over $600. But of course this value could change a lot because we are in the pre-market and we will never know which will be the market price when it goes up, or maybe it goes down. We will never know. We will see in the future. But for now, like to have a minimum value of reference, I have over $600 just with this account. So with less than 3K, I have more than $600 in just months. And this is just linear, but you know that we are farming Eigenlayer, we are farming the re-staking protocols like EtherFi, like KelpDAO, and also we are farming the every protocol that we are using. So this is just $600 of the first layer of all the 3 airdrops that we're farming at the same time. The other airdrop that I'm farming is Scroll, which I think will be less important than Linea because the financiation is not actually very high. I think this like $50 million, but a lot of users are farming Scroll. So I think this will be a very disappointing airdrops for 90% of the users, but at the same time I have a little money because I love to diversify. It's not good to put all your eggs in the same place, it's better to diversify. Maybe you get a little loss, but it's better to have a calm life diversifying and knowing that if you get hacked, it will not affect more than 10% of your portfolio. I'm using the protocol of Pencils protocol, which is a farming protocol, which I can show you in other videos, but it's quite recently, so be careful because it could maybe get hacked. There is over $150 million in total value locked, so I think it will be a good project, but who knows, in crypto everything can happen. After that I have Ambient protocol where I'm farming as the other wallet. With the KelpDAO Ethereum, and with Ethereum I'm opening a liquidity pool, so I get a little percentage of profit, and at the same time I'm farming the KelpDAO token, the Ambient Finance token, Eigenlayers token, and a Scroll Future token. This is my 2 most important wallets. Of course I have my Solana wallets, and finally I have the wallet where I had the TK Sync airdrop, which was over $7,000, but I was selling a little bit. This is my 3rd wallet, which you can see I have only the CK token, and the reason is not because I love this token this much. The reason is because when they did CK Sync, this blockchain, if you don't know, they did an airdrop, a very big airdrop, but a lot of people was disappointed because they didn't qualify. In my case, I was very lucky and I qualified with these 3 wallets that you are seeing. As you can see with my main wallet, which is this one, which I show you in the first place, I won over 30k tokens, and right now, if you can see, I have more or less, I've sold like 25% of the tokens that I received, because with the other wallets I didn't win too much because my main wallet was the most strong at the time of the airdrop. So I have right now 25k tokens, but I've sold around 10k tokens, which they were maybe like $2k. But the other $5k I've left it there because I think the price is very low and everyone who got the airdrop sold very early. So I don't have any pressure to sell because this is just free money. And finally, this is my final address, which is basically my ledger when I store all the money, all the holdings that I will not use. More of this money, most of it, they are stable coins, as you can see, 4,000 in USDT, 5k in USDC in Arbitrum. So this is the wallet where I storage more or less all my stable coins, which they are basically 30% of my portfolio are stable coins, because when I started in crypto I had some profits, and these profits I sold it and I put it in a stable coin. So if all the crypto markets crash, at least I have this type of reserve. So I have this little money, 10k, 30% of my portfolio, to store a little bit of value and don't lose anything if there is a crash in the crypto market. Finally, I will show you my Solana wallet, which you can see right here, but I have a lot of liquidity pools, I have some stuff, so I will show you in this way. I will paste my wallet, and when it analyzes, it will show all my holdings. I have nearly 3k in my Solana wallet, and yes, you will be wondering, like, I have such a small amount of money compared with my Ethereum holdings, but it's true. I've never been this degen in Solana. I always preferred these layer 2 blockchains like Scroll, Linea, CK Sync, and really have gotten a good amount of profit using this type of Ethereum blockchains. But yeah, Solana is a very degen blockchain where you can search a lot of opportunities, and in the future I will show you very good strategies. I will show you my distribution. More of my tokens are just holding of these tokens. I have a little bit of meme coins that I will show you after what I do with the meme coins that I'm holding, because I'm doing a very good strategy. Also, I have nearly $500 in Jupiter governance. When they launched the airdrop, maybe you don't know it, but just if you was doing one swap in their protocol, you was getting like $200 airdrop, and I was very lucky and I got this airdrop. And also in Meteora, which is basically a protocol where you can add liquidity pools, I have meme coins where I am putting with Solana. So I am putting the meme coin and I am putting in with Solana. So there I open a liquidity pool and I'm getting commission of those people who want to buy meme coins. Basically, this is the most my main portfolio. Maybe I have another things that I forgot to show you guys, but the main conclusion is more or less like 30k crypto portfolio. And as you can see in the future, I will show you strategies that I'm applying. So leave a like if you like it, subscribe it if you want. If not, there is not a problem, and have a good day. Bye.